In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Pinterest title and description with Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Jasper to produce a compelling, keyword-rich title and description for your Pinterest pin, and how to quickly generate and use the results. First, open Jasper in your browser and make sure you're on the home screen. If you're not already there, click Home on the left side. This simply resets your workspace so everything you do next starts from a clean slate and you can access the main tools without distractions. Next, click Ask Jasper Anything. This is the conversational box where Jasper can follow your instructions in natural language. Think of it as your creative brief. The clearer you are here, the better the output you'll get. In the message box, type your prompt. For this walkthrough, we'll ask Jasper to create a Pinterest title and description for a very specific topic. Type, write a Pinterest title and description for a pin about staging your home to sell faster. Include keywords like home staging tips and sell your house fast. Make it engaging and click-worthy. This gives Jasper the goal, the audience intent, and the must-have keywords. If you want, you can also fold in guidance like tone or audience, for example, friendly and expert tone for first-time home sellers. But keep it in the same message so Jasper has full context. When your prompt looks good, click Send or press Enter. Jasper will generate ideas based on your request. As you review, look for a title that's clear, benefit-driven, and front-loads a key phrase. Pinterest typically displays up to about 100 characters for titles, so concise, scannable phrasing works best. For the description, scan for a hook up front, one or two practical benefits, and those target keywords woven in naturally. Descriptions can be longer, but keeping them easy to read helps with engagement. When you see an option you like, click Use, then click Generate Now. This confirms your selection and produces the final copy so you can move it into your pin. Before you publish, do a quick polish pass. Check that home staging tips and sell your house fast appear naturally. Make sure the title promises a clear outcome and that the description sets expectations and encourages action, such as reading a full guide or saving the pin. That's it. You've used Jasper to craft a strong Pinterest title and description quickly and confidently, all from the home screen, the Ask Jasper box, your tailored prompt, and a couple of clicks to finalize your best option.